Fake vlogs. Alright, people. Got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
So guys, we're about to unbox the ENACFIRE wireless headphones, ENACFIRE E19 Bluetooth headphones with 15 hours play time. Can you imagine that? Deep bass stereo sound Bluetooth V5, man. Bluetooth V5, that's dope. What else do we have here? Earbuds, built-in microphone, wireless headphones for iOS and Android, PC, and a gift box, black. We're about to check all that out and put everything to the test. Other than that, before all that, ladies and gents, make sure to drop one of these. Turn on that bell, ding 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 ding. Turn on that bell so you won't be missing out. If it's your first time out here, do the right thing, sub to the channel, share the video, talk among yourself about what we do all here. We love you all here and we love your support. Without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's open this badass. Let's do it people. Pretty small, pretty tiny. Just zoom on there. ENACFIRE. Let's see what's inside the box. This spread. Okay, it's sealed. All right, just a second. Okay. Presentation of the box is okay. Nothing too special or nothing special, I'll say. Let's take this thing out. Already popping out like this. Okay. All right. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? That's what we got inside the box. Let's see what's in here. All right. All right. Okay. Check this thing out. 3-month replaceable or full refund. 12-month. That's pretty dope. I like that. 12 months a little bit short, but you know what? Keep this. Don't foul it. Now the box. That's what we have inside the box. Okay. Pretty simple. The earpiece or the earbuds. Couple of tips. All right. The USB cable on the warranty card and your usual guide, plus this little card of satisfaction or dissatisfaction. Other than that, let's talk about this. Yeah, I'm gonna plug all this thing, check it out, and I'll come back to you. I'll tell you exactly what it sounds like. I know it's 15 hours, you know, non-stop music or whatever else you're going to be doing with it. It's 15 hours. One charge gives you 15 hours of playtime, you know. Bear that in mind. This is pretty okay. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's plugged. That's what it looks like when it's on. But it seems like those headphones are not fully charged. Anyway, I'll come back. That's what the inside of the case looks like. These earbuds are pretty light. Okay, they're not extremely heavy. Okay, they're pretty light. They're almost mimicking the Samsung you know, ones, but I'm gonna tell you in terms of sound how they sound like in a second. All right, you don't need an app to run an app to run this thing. Okay, you just have to connect it to your Bluetooth and get down to it. That's it. So once they're connected, you see the E19R. You see the audio there. It's pretty simple to connect. All right, I'm gonna show you a little diagram towards the end to show you how to do that if you buy the same. All right. Right now, I'm gonna play my YouTube channel and see how this sounds like in the headphones. Wow. Let me put the volume loud. Let's see if you can hear it. Wow. Let me zap that quickly. Oh, this will blow your head up, man. This is pretty loud, man. It's pretty loud. I got them on right now. All right, and they are pretty loud. You can see that I'm connected to the 19. All right, they're pretty loud. I'm telling you now. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. In terms of bass, I'm gonna play one of my music videos. So, woof, it's gonna blow your ears off, man. You know the treble, you can still hear the trebles, and yeah, you can hear the trebles and the balance for what they are and the price that they come, you know, they're selling for. Listen, this is all right, and it's waterproof as well, for what I've read. It's splash proof, not waterproof, sorry. Splash proof, sweat proof. You can go to the gym with them. You know what I mean? In terms of sound, listen, this is loud. You can even hear me talking very, very loud now. Yeah, so on that note, this is definitely a go for me. They definitely gained a thumbs up. The ENACFIRE right here. Headphones, they're pretty dope. 15 hours. You know, they're straightforward, my brother. I'm just taking this out of my ears. They're pretty straightforward to connect, easy to use. I'm pretty fan of this. I'm gonna be getting more of these. They're nothing to compare to the Samsung ones, all right? But on their own right, listen, this is a thumbs up. This is definitely a go. I'm gonna leave all the links right down below. If you're interested, go get them. All right, I'm not getting paid to talk about these ones, to talk about these products. So I'm just giving you my honest opinion, my review, and whatsoever is out there that's good. I'll tell you straight away. This is pretty dope. For the money, it's a definite go. And easy to connect. Low magnet in there when you push your thing in there. Let me just take it off my ears. Once you get it off your ears, look at that. You hear that click? Do you hear that sound? Other than that, lovely people, I hope this was helpful, and if so, make sure to thumbs up the video. It's pretty straightforward, okay? Make sure to keep this, you know, keep the instruction. Check this out. I'm gonna be, all right, let me just do it now. That's how you get things sorted. So I'm gonna accelerate this part of the video anyway, so you guys to have the chance. It's very easy to use, very easy. That's one of the most easiest one. No app is required to use this thing. All right, you can pick up your calls. You can, you know what this thing is about anyway. Really, truly wireless earbuds from ENACFIRE 19. That's what's up. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope this was helpful, and if so, make sure to thumbs up the video, share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. So as usual, keep it safe, keep it late, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it and do it, people. Bang bang. Peace out. Yeah. Hey, I have not mentioned this, but the sound, this has a pure noise cancelling. Pretty dangerous, by the way.
No matter what life throws at you, you gotta keep your head up at all times. No matter what life throws at you, you gotta keep your head up at all times.